All right, let's go over this. All right, so we have, yesterday we had a double distribution. We were in balance pretty much the whole morning, then we broke above. We're not able to make new all-time highs or get to this call wall, to this high volume node at 57.52, but we did double this range, left a small set of single prints right here. And then during the overnight session, we came down, we retraced the whole range. We had the government shutdown news, so we have a pretty big overnight range. Now, things that we can gather from this chart is, first of all, this high right here was right at that low volume node. Actually, it went through the low volume node, put some volume here, it closed up there, the settlement is up there, that red line, and then we pulled back. So we have inventory is 100% short, but we're opening inside this multi-day range right at the 5-day point of control. So we have to wait to see what happens at the open to see if we stay inside this range or if we break out. On the upside, I want to see us take this this low volume node at 67.20, so maybe above 67.25ish, and then for another chance of cleaning up this very weak high. And then if we fail to hold, if we break above it and fail to hold, then I'll be looking for a move back down to this area right here where we're at right now, which is at 67.10. On the lower side, we have volatility trigger at 67.07, and but you know, we have some support at this 6700 that we keep bouncing here, and you know, we looked below it and then we came back above it during the overnight session, but it's been hard for shorts. See how we're lacking access in this session, so we still need to break through that, and then we have this bigger support area at 66.82, that low volume node, and we bounce right there at the overnight session. So, but I think if we break below it now that you know, we're starting a new quarter, there's some rebalancing going on. The picture is slightly different than it was yesterday and the last month. So if we do get below this, I'm looking for that 66.70 20-day point of control. And then yesterday we left a bearish imbalance. If you see, the point of control was here. We don't have much of an excess to the downside, but we did break through the upside. So if we get back below this and below the overnight low, I'm expecting a 66.70, and to repair this bearish imbalance, the target is 66.64. And then on the lower levels are similar to the ones the last couple sessions, so I'm not gonna go over that. But for now, we're in the middle. We want to wait for a breakout. We do have a couple of news at 9:45 and at 10 a.m. We also probably have, anytime we could hear some more news about the government shut down. So I mean, obviously volatility is higher than in the last few days. Nice 50-point range overnight, so let's see what we get today. NQ, similar scenario. We filled the gap yesterday. We're trading back in the middle here, the 20-day point of control and the 5-day point of control at the same spot at 24 8:30, and we have still those pending balances target to the upside. Crude making new lows, so went from fail breakout to now trading through the whole range. So now we gotta see if these lows hold and then we go back to the 63 area, or if we keep making new lows. Gold still keeps going, still making new highs, so no shorts yet. Let's see if I have anything else for today. We have crude inventories today also at 10:30. We have some Fed speaking at 12:15. There's a U.S. House Democrats press conference at 11 a.m. White House is doing a press briefing at 1 p.m. And that's about it for today. Bye.